Welcome. Today I am with Sony headphones and Apple Watch, and I'm going to show you how can disconnect these two devices. So right now we have to go for our settings and Apple Watch, and we have to go for the Bluetooth settings. Right now we have to find our Sony headphones, click on the information icon, and click to forget this device. Tap here. Now just wait. As you can see, we are disconnected, and you will also get the prompt voice notification on the headphones. Next, what you have to do? Turn off the headphones by using power button. And right now, after a few moments, we have to click and hold power button and the custom button to perform factory reset. Let's make it. Click and hold both buttons until this indicator starts blinking on the blue color for 4 times. And when it disappears, we have to release both keys. And basically that's how you can completely disconnect Sony headphones from your Apple Watch. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.